inside so you don't have to be outside anymore. Do you smell other dogs? Do you smell all the doggies here? You ready? She's like, I'm straight. You wanna go inside? Come on, girl. Good girl. This way. Come on. Good girl. There you go. Good girl. You can be warm inside. Here's where all the dogs freak out. Here's a good girl. Prince is like another one. These guys don't even see her yet. He's gonna go crazy. He's a big baby, so. And she's just over there scared. Good girl. What's your name? Why Sophie? Alright.